to discuss about robotic surgery, which is a very not necessarily a new thing, but then recently it is very much trending. It is very much upcoming, and with the Indianized version of the robots coming up, the costs are coming down. So robotic surgery has an important role to play in GI surgery, especially in GI cancers. See, basically what happens is just like cars, when there are multiple upgraded cars over the years, but what is important is the driver to be good. Similarly, whether it's an open surgery, laparoscopic or robotic, the results would be guided more by the surgical technicalities and the skill set of the doctor, and there would always be a learning curve for a robot, just like there was a learning curve for the laparoscopic surgery. Now, what are the advantages of a robotic surgery? Number one, that the robot has a much better angulation in terms of vision. At the same time, it is got more freedom of movement, as a result of which there are difficult areas inside the abdomen, say for example pancreas, liver, deep pelvis, in the esophageal hiatus, where doing a laparoscopic surgery becomes slightly more challenging. And here is the advantage of robotic surgery. Now we know that robotic surgery is a very proved method in cases of urological surgeries, especially in case of carcinoma of the prostate, in cases of kidney surgeries, polar nephrectomies. But with more and more time, learning curve, and more expertise coming in, robotic surgery is going to play a big role in cases of GI cancer surgery. See, for example, the difficult surgeries like liver resection, segmental liver resections, then there is complex biliary surgeries, complex biliary resection, bypasses, reconstructions, complex pancreatic surgeries, VPULs, then vascular resection. These are much more technically challenging compared to an open surgery in a laparoscopy. But with robotic surgery, the comfort of having a 3D vision and comfort of having the surgery done robotically is better, and that's the reason it has an edge over laparoscopy. But then yet, it is not a proved fact. It is not that it is being practiced everywhere or universally. So over time, maybe robotic would take up better. And as we practice more of open surgery, laparoscopy and robotic, we'll understand exactly which surgery would be benefited by which method. So these are different methods of the same surgery, the principles remaining same, the organs removed remaining same, the reconstructions remaining same, only that the visual, the dexterity and the other things changing. So robotic surgery in a nutshell in GI cancers.